Welcome, friends. Today, we have an unboxing video. Marvellous. That is right, friends. Today I have returned to you with another unboxing video. An unboxing video of sorts, because this fragrance didn't come with a box. It came boxless, which is upsetting. But I was expecting the box because it was pictured, but it's okay. I'd rather get the fragrance without the box than the box without the fragrance, because that would be more than unfortunate. Anyway, the fragrance that we shall be unboxing today, and doing a slight first impression I might add, is a Serge Lutens, and it is a very special and rare Serge Lutens. This is a Palais Jamais label. Now these are much sought after by the Serge insurgents. Not sure about that. Could work. But this fragrance is called Santal De Mysore. This fragrance was released in 1991, I believe. One of the earliest Serge Lutens, if not the earliest, actually. So that's quite fun. It is made by Christopher Sheldrake, of course, at the beginning of one of the deepest and longest running partnerships of any perfumer in a house that there is. I have smelled this before, but it's been a while. I remember being a little bit frightened by a bit of skank in there, a bit of the old cumin, or some kind of filth. But we shall see, shall we, as I will do a first impressions right now. On skin, no less. Serge Lutens, if you are unaware, is exempt from all of my rules about perfume. I will wear Serge Lutens whenever and however I want. Out of season, 2 days in a row, anything. Serge Lutens does what it wants, because it is extremely special. I own the most of any one house. It just pips Dior. I think I'm in the mid-20s of Serge Lutens now. I beg your pardon. I will one day. I have done a family portrait before, so you can search that out. I think it was like I think it might have been my first live stream actually, but absolutely love it. The house, just everything about it. Like, some of the fragrances are absolutely outrageous and should never have been committed to bottle, but some of them are some of the finest works of perfume that we've had. Like, okay, so starting out with this, I get overtones of or undertones. What's the difference between undertones and overtones? I am getting vibes. I'm getting vibes of Santal Majuscule. And then I'm getting this creamy, warm, rich, spicy sandalwood. It's not overly complicated. It's not difficult. I think since the last time I owned and smelled this, that a lot has changed. Me being the operative variable here. This is beautiful, and it's beautiful for this kind of weather. It has that ever so slight curried vibe. Ever so slight. It's nowhere near as offensive as it was the first time I smelled it. This reminds me of Santal Majuscule these days, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's another Serge Lutens in the collection. I have a couple more to unbox, which I will do on the channel, that I bought this year. I just never got round to unboxing them, unfortunately. I just put them away. I need a stock take. That might be something I'll do. I don't know if I'll do that on the channel, but It would be interesting if I did. Doing a stock take on the channel, bloody hell. But I don't know if you can hear, but the wind is foul outside. So this is the perfect kind of fragrance for that warm, creamy, woody, a little bit dark. Overall fantastic. Okay, thanks everybody, and I will see you all again soon.